Hi there everybody, that's Mechanical Brain Online again, and in this video I will show you how to make horse feathers weave. Let's go! Characteristics of the rings you can see on your screen now. Check it out and let's start the weaving. Horse feathers weave is just a variation of half-person 3-in-1. So at first you have to make a half-person 3-in-1 stripe. If you don't know how to make this weave, then you can use one of my tutorials. I will put a link in the description for this video. But I have already made one, so I will proceed with the horse feather. I will proceed with the horse feathers, of course. Actually, this weave is quite easy, so the main thing is to understand how open rings go through half-person 3-in-1. Okay, let's take our stripe of half-person 3-in-1. As you can see, it consists of 2 rows of rings. 1 and 2. So the main idea of horse feathers is that open ring should go through the eye between 2 rings of the first row. For example, let me show you here, yes. And after that it should go through the next eye, between 2 rings of the second row. So it should go here, through this eye. Let me show it to you with the ring. So here is my open ring. First let's put it here in the eye between 2 rings of one of the rows, like that. Here is our ring. Yes, so now you got a lot of eyes, but we need the next one, not this one, but this one here. See? That's how it looks. One eye, second eye, and the back side. So now let's close the ring. That's the last added ring. Now let's add some more. Well, enough weaving for today. I hope you found this video useful for you. I wanna wish you a very nice day and productive, of course. Best wishes, kind regards. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time.